Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create TikTok effects. So for this you can just open any browser and type in the Google TikTok effect house. So is the first one TikTok effect house. You will have to click on and read the all criteria how to use it. Download effect house. So it will be download over MacBook or Windows. It needs to download a computer system or laptop. So you can just log in a PC, and from here you can just download now button. So you can use it and create your account linked with TikTok, and you can use the creativity lives here. So create TikTok effects, get cash rewards. So it's easy, but it's sign up, get download link for Mac or Windows only. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.